This was neat. Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Huh. You're right on a top of a little mini mountain, which could be not that great actually as far as doing more with this property. Oh, that's good that they give you that. Oh, there's 2 lots for sale. Huh. Well, 24-acre lot. Let's just Google it real quick and just see. Okay. Tuscaloosa. Okay. Boom, right there. That's the property. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Okay, that's definitely worth a look. Let's just save that now so that we have it saved. Ah, come on. Okay, don't save it. Okay, we're definitely going to look closer at that one. This one here, 87 acres, 315,000. River coming through. That's kind of sweet. Dated, but open, well taken care of. No utility room. Okay, here's the land. Nice river coming through the land. Lots of deciduous trees. Yeah. Some field. Wow, little cabin shack or something, or guest house. Yeah. Road access. Wow. Yeah. That's a great property. Okay, we'll look at that one. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a quick look at this. And then we'll locate these. Whoa, look at that. I love the photos. Amazing. Neat house. This is Arkansas. Yeah, kind of exposed. It rains a ton here. No, not really feeling that one. And then this one here. This is just raw land. Just a photo. Okay, forget it. Another one here. This is Alabama. Like that. I like that. I like infrastructure on the land. It's got utilities.